Hello everyone and welcome to Languages Tree. Today, we're beginning an exciting journey into the Spanish language. Even if you've never learned Spanish before, this lesson will guide you step by step. Spanish is one of the most popular languages in the world. Millions of people use it every day, for work, travel, education, and communication. In this lesson, you'll learn how to greet someone, introduce yourself, ask basic questions, and hold your very first Spanish conversation. Imagine that you've just arrived in Spain. You're exploring a beautiful city and suddenly meet someone new. What would you say first? The first thing we usually do when meeting someone is greet them. Let's learn the most common greeting in Spanish. The word is hola. Hola means hello. It is one of the most common words you'll hear in Spanish-speaking countries. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. Hola. Once again. Hola. Excellent. You've already learned your first Spanish word.
After saying hello, the next thing we often ask is a person's name.
In Spanish, we say, ¿Cómo te llamas?
After
Cómo te llamas means, what is your name? Listen careful pronunciation and try repeating it after me. ¿Cómo te llamas? To answer this question, you can say, Me llamo Ethan. This means, my name is Ethan. Simply replace Ethan with your own name and you're ready to introduce yourself in Spanish. Now that we've learned how to introduce ourselves, let's continue the conversation. After saying your name, it's common to ask the other person for their name too. In Spanish, we say, ¿Y tú? This means, and you? It's a simple phrase, but you'll use it in many conversations. The other person might reply,
Me llamo Sofía.
This means, my name is Sofia. After introducing yourselves, it's polite to say, Mucho gusto. Mucho gusto means, nice to meet you. Let's repeat it together. Mucho gusto. Once again. Mucho gusto. Great job. This phrase will help you sound friendly and polite. Now the conversation becomes more interesting. Once you know someone's name, you might want to know where they are from. To ask where someone is from, we say, ¿De dónde eres? This means, where are you from? Let's practice the pronunciation slowly. ¿De dónde eres? Very good. This is one of the most useful questions in any language. Sofia replies,
Soy de España.
This means,
I am from Spain.
Soy de España. Soy de India. This means, I am from India. Notice how easy it is? Simply say soy de, followed by your country name.
¡Qué bien!
This means, that's great. Native Spanish speakers use this phrase very often in everyday conversations. Let's practice together. Qué bien. Once again. Qué bien. Excellent. You're building your Spanish vocabulary step by step. Now let's put everything we've learned together and listen to a complete beginner conversation from start to finish. Hola.
Hola,
¿Cómo te llamas?
me llamo Sofía. ¿Y tú?
Me llamo Ethan.
Mucho gusto.
Mucho gusto.
¿De dónde eres?
Soy de India.
Soy de España. ¡Qué bien!
And just like that, you've completed your very first Spanish conversation. Now it's your turn. Let's practice together. Listen carefully, pause if needed, and repeat after me. Repeat after me. Hola.
Hola,
Pause the video and say it aloud. Great, let's continue. Now repeat. ¿Cómo te llamas? Excellent. You're already speaking Spanish. Keep practicing and don't worry about making mistakes.